meeting. So first of all, I'm going to put a situation of that us driving down the road, and what you have is, say, vehicles parked on the side of the road. So this is a bigger road, okay? So maybe there are vehicles coming towards us. So this is a bigger road. So potentially we can get through.
Yeah.
So what they normally say is less speed, less space, less speed, right? Yeah. So we would look at that and we think, right, we want to keep our distance, which is how far from these parked vehicles? A metre, yeah. So we come in and we look at it and we think, do you know what?
I can get through.
I can do it, yeah. Now sometimes you get these people that are a little bit sort of more in the middle of the road, right? Yeah. So if we check our mirrors early and we make sure there's no one overtaking us, and we slightly change our position early, what do you think is going to happen for this guy coming towards us? What's he going to do?
Is he going to change his position?
Yeah, what we're doing, okay, the word is encourage, right? Yeah, we're not forcing anybody off the road. We are encouraging these people to slightly go over to get over, and that's all about our position. Our position is something that really can change it, and you'll see it when we're going round. I'll just say, oh, just a little bit, and you'll see that. Got that? Now we move on to this. Oh my goodness, smaller road. So if the vehicles are on our side, okay, our problem.
So we have to hold back.
We have to hold back.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's talk about hold back position. So you said earlier that you didn't know the distance. Yeah. So I'm going to give you a couple of scenarios. Okay. I'm driving down the road. I know I've got to hold back. I go here. What's bad about that?
You can't see because you're directly behind.
Exactly. So I can't. My vision's restricted.
Yeah.
So that's number one, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Number two is let's get. Can't take that off. Well, there you go. Totally get that. So number two, when I do get a chance to go, how difficult is that going to be?
Very difficult.
Yeah. And other vehicles may assume that I've.
Oh, you parked. And then they're going to try and go, and then it's just going to be a big accident.
So we've got the negatives are you can't see, and we're given a signal, right? And I don't mean signal indicator, I mean signal with the position of our car that we're potentially parked. So that becomes awkward. So how about this? How about if we see the vehicles there and we hold back next to the line here? And do you remember me saying about that little mirror there? You can see the line, can't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can see down the road much better. Number one. And
you can see people behind you as well.
Yeah, you can see people behind you, but people behind us are not going to think that we've parked. Okay, that's not a parking position, is it? Yeah. So we're giving a big signal there, right? Yeah. So here's the question you asked: how far, right? And I would say, if you're looking at car lengths, maybe 3 or 4 car lengths.
Oh, okay.
A bit further, isn't it? So maybe this that we've got in front of us now.
Yeah, because we can see down the road.
You can see down the road. Okay, so you're actually going to get away quicker and safer. Yeah. Now this is not always an exact science. I can't say always 3 or 4 car lengths because situations changed. But that is where we add in the awareness. So like I go back to that lorry, that we saw the lorry there. Potentially we slowed down because we know people probably can't see us.
Yeah, okay.
Got it? Now this is the first time we've really done more darker stuff, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so there are negatives to dark stuff because it's different, but also there's positives where around corners when they've got their lights on, you can see them.
You can see them, yeah.
Better, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So shall we go round this little circuit again?
Okay.
Okay. How do you want me to come in? Do you want me to come in and give you a little bit of a prompt and say, oh, there's a hold back position here? Do you want to do that for a couple of times and then?
Yes, please. Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Yeah. Away we go. So.
Okay.